Hello, we are the Coffee Crew with members Itzel Castillo, Julie Ryan, and Chase Boersma, and this is our IME 420 introductory video for our final project. The system we will be taking a look at is the Starbucks coffee shop on the Cal Poly campus in Campus Market. Starbucks Coffee is a business that sells coffee and other drinks as well as pastries and other food items. Customers enter the system and wait in a queue to be served at these two server stations. These two server stations take the order of the customer, and the station has a capacity of 2. And after the server takes the customer's order, they will then pass it on to the next station, which is the barista. The barista makes the order for the customer, and this station has a capacity of 4. Some measurements that we'll be doing our time studies to get the times for will be frequency that customers arrive into the system, how long it takes for the server to take the order at this beginning take order station, and how long it takes for baristas to fill the orders for each customer. Once the customers give their order, they proceed over here to the left side of the counter to wait for the barista to make their drink, and this is where they receive their order, and after they receive the order, they exit the system. Here is our model, logical model for the system. As you can see, we have the customers arriving here with a random time variable that we will create after we do our time study. The customer then goes to the take order station with capacity of 2. This will have another time variable taken from our time study. Next, the customer goes to the fill order station and waits for their order to be filled by the 4 baristas. And finally, they exit the system once they receive their drink. This alternate route here that bypasses the fill order station is when the customer orders a drip coffee. When this happens, the server that's taking the order fills the order immediately, and the customer receives their drink prior to leaving the take order station. And so they bypass waiting for the barista to fill their order, and they receive their drink immediately and exit the system. The entity for this model is just the customer, and that concludes our model. Thank you for listening.